Okay, first go to File, Open as Layers, and this will let you open multiple files at once. To do that, hold down the Shift key and select the files that you want to open in one window. So what it's done here is it's opened all three of the pictures I've selected, each one as an individual layer, so they're effectively laying right on top of each other. Go to the Tool palette and select the Scale tool. Double click the image and it brings up the Scale window. Make sure the chain there is clicked so that it's linked together. Type in the dimensions you want for the picture. So here I've typed in 400 by 300. Now we want it smaller than that. So to rescale an image, double click the image again. This time I'm going to put in 200 pixels wide, and you see the height automatically changes to 150. Now the picture is much smaller. So to select the next picture, I'm going to go over here and click the Layers tab to the far left. You can see each of my three layers. So I select the next one down, double click, scale, 200, makes it 150, and you see it's automatically been scaled down. I do the same thing for the third picture there. Double click it, type in 200 wide, automatically changes to 150 high, yet again, scale. So now they have three small pictures laying on top of each other instead of three big ones. So next I'm going to click the Move tool there, and it's going to allow me to move the selected layer over, just like so. And once I've got it placed, I'll go back, get the next layer, drag it all the way to the right there. So now I have all three images sitting side by side. I go to the Image tab up top, go to Fit Canvas to Layers, and that's going to remove that checkerboard alpha layer there. So I have a nice, neat three pictures side by side. Go to Save As, type in whatever the name of the file is that you want, and select the location. So once you've got the location, just click Save, and it's going to bring up this dialog here saying that JPEG can't handle it. Go over to Export. This just changes the file type and flattens the image. Don't worry about what that means. There's other options there too. Click Save, and then let's check it out and see how it came out. Boom. There you go. All three images right next to each other. No additional mess.